Are you tired of your Discord messages blending in with everyone else's? Learn how to make your text bold in under 30 seconds. I'll show you 3 ways to bold text using asterisks, a keyboard shortcut, and the hover menu. Let's start with the simplest method. First, open Discord and navigate to the channel or direct message where you want to send your message. Then, type 2 asterisks, followed by the text you want to bold, and then 2 more asterisks. Once that's done, press Enter to send your bolded message. Now, type your message in the chat box. Highlight the specific word or sentence you want to bold using your mouse. Then, press ctrl+b on Windows or command+b on Mac. Finally, press Enter to send your message. Alternatively, type your message in the chat box. Highlight the word or sentence you want to bold. A hover menu will pop up. Click the bold B icon. Then press Enter to send your message. That's all there is to it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.